Hello, good morning, Jose. Um, I have got a question for you. I'm working on import tariff quotas. Okay, these are the products. And I started from an earlier year, 2006, because sometimes these tariff quotas are announced for more than 1 year. So in order to see the previous levels, I started for an earlier years. For this one, for example, acrylonitrile, I reported this state act. It is 75,000 tons of import tariff quota starting from 2009, the beginning of the year, and until the end of the year. And for the next year, it is the quota level actually has changed. So I also entered this as another state act. And for the following year, actually this one, the government didn't change the quantity, so the instrument didn't change, so not a big change. So I didn't enter this as a new state act. I added this as an update, and it will most probably go for the following years, I assume. So my question is, okay, this is my first state act. I said there's a 75,000 tons of tariff quota for this amount, for this product, and etc. And then I made another state act, extension of the import tariff quota for acrylonitrile. And I said it was previously 75,000 tons. This time the government provided 60,000 tons. And when I saw the new state act for the following year, I mean this one, I added another sentence here. I said the tariff quota expired on 31st of December 2010, and the government renewed the import tariff quota for the year 2011 for the same amount. If the same thing happens for 2012, I will enter probably a similar sentence here, and what I will also do is also at first actually I wrote here, I said the removal date at the end of 2011, but when I saw the 2011 measure, I changed it to the end of 2011. I changed the year. So if when I see the next measure like for the same amount, I will also change this most probably to 31st of December 2012. Is this correct actually what I'm doing? That's my first question. And in terms of reporting to to Johannes, this is, if this was a published state act, I would call this sentence and this change as an update. Should I also report it as an update to a previous measure, or for example before it is published, if I for example see a next state act, just write the sentence in the bottom and not report it at all. Thank you very much. I want to keep it short. See you. Bye bye.